So I'm fishing a bunch of super spooky redfish that are tailing, pushing, feeding actively, but any big bait I'm putting in front of them, they don't want to touch it. So I scaled down to a Mr. Twister Exude 4-inch curly tail on a 3/0 swim bait hook. It's real simple, 1/4 ounce, but 3/0 size instead of larger, and it fits this curly tail grub perfectly. Just screw it on to the head, measure up where you want the hook to come back through, push it through the other side, and you set weedless. I've got 20-pound fluorocarbon leader tied on, about 2.5, 3 feet, doesn't much matter. Just having some of that fluorocarbon ahead of it's perfect, and then I've got it going straight to the braid. This is the combo: Exude curly tail, white and clear water, 1/4 ounce swim bait, 3/0 size hook, weedless, and these finicky fish will eat this when they won't eat a larger bait. Ooh, it ate that Mr. Twister. Another one sitting right there. Boy, these twitchy fish love this little curly tail. Not very big.